Applying a steady stream of parts to a specific spot in a specific orientation is essential in any automated assembly system. The 2019 Assembly Show featured more than a dozen suppliers of parts feeding technology. The most common device for feeding parts is the vibratory feeder bowl. Bowl feeders can be fabricated from steel or stainless steel, or they can be milled from cast aluminum or plastic. Measuring 3 to 60 inches in diameter, bowls are custom made to feed a specific part or a family of parts. As the bowl vibrates, the parts ride up a track on the inside of the bowl. The tooling is designed to separate and orient the parts. If a part is not in the desired orientation, it falls back into the bowl. In high-volume applications, a hopper can be designed to keep the bowl topped up with parts automatically. Sensors monitor the level of parts in the bowl. Assembly Show exhibitor Fortville Feeders designed this bowl to feed springs, a particularly difficult part to feed because they tangle easily. Vibratory bowl feeders are not the only way to feed parts, however. One alternative is the centrifugal feeder, like this one designed by Assembly Show exhibitor Hoosier Feeders. This type of feeder is comprised of a rotating center disc mounted on an angle and a horizontally mounted rotating bowl. The disc and the bowl rotate independently of each other at variable speeds. Centrifugal force brings the parts to the raised edge of the feeder disc. At its highest point, the edge of the disc is slightly higher than the running surface of the bowl, which enables the parts to load. Centrifugal force then propels the parts past mechanical and pneumatic tooling, which is designed to capture parts that are correctly oriented and reject parts that are not. Performance Feeders introduced its new VeriFlex feeder at the 2019 Assembly Show. It uses a 24-inch rotary table to present parts for pickup and orientation by a vision-guided robot. Parts that are not correctly oriented are recirculated to the storage hopper. Quick change tooling accommodates a variety of part geometries and part families. The system can feed 30 parts per minute or more. Made from FDA-compliant materials, the feeder is available separately or as a complete integrated system with robot and vision system. It's also possible for one robot to service 2 rotary tables. Another new product introduced at the Assembly Show is the IntelliFlex feeding system from Epson Robots. 2 models are available. The IntelliFlex 240, which can accommodate parts from 5 to 40 millimeters in size, and the IntelliFlex 530, which handles parts from 30 to 150 millimeters. These flexible feeders are designed to present parts for pickup by a vision-guided robot. Capable of handling plastic, rubber, and metal parts, the feeders are ideal for applications such as assembly, kitting, and tray loading. Designed for high-mix, low-volume production, these feeders allow assemblers to work with a variety of parts without having to purchase new equipment. Integrated with Epson's RC Plus development software, IntelliFlex feeders are easy to set up and configure. Intelligent auto-tuning automatically adjusts the system to handle new parts. Multi-axis vibration control optimizes part movement and singulation. Static safe and anti-rolling tray designs are also available. This has been John Sprovieri, Chief Editor of Assembly Magazine, reporting from the 2019 Assembly Show.